It's now Saturday sa St. Pio. So Saturday is usually a mass day. I'm here to just make paalam na alis na ako. Maglaland ako to Bohol today. Hopefully makakadating ako by Monday. Pero siguro I'll wait. Siguro I'll wait na lang after mass. Saturday, mas maraming tao pag Sunday. So I'll wait after mass kasi malamang nagsaserve pa yung father ko. Yung mga tao dito, ibig sabihin nito, puno na sa loob. Kasi may indoors siya, may outdoors. So kung puno na sa loob, yan. Yan yung nangyari sa saling na lang. Sira yung screen dito. I should bakit sira? I should have it fixed. Sige, mamaya. I'll wait till mass ends. Anyway, see you in Panglao. Okay, tapos ng misa, nagpaalam na ako sa father ko. So now everyone's going home. Let me just video and drive at the same time. Pauwi na lahat. Yikes, traffic. Oh my god. I need to fetch Renny. Sige. This is loading area ng mga wheelchair. Sorry. Nahulog pa yung photo. Wheelchair, mga PWD or yung mga bata or whoever doesn't want to go under the rain, especially now, dyan sila mag-load. Cars can wait doon sa loob. Dito sa labas, bawal mag-wait. Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Okay, here's Renny. Go, Renny. Close star. Sige, ingat. Sige. And this is our Petron. We actually have a Petron. That's it.